Shoulder pain is very common in our society, and the people ranging from very young children to adult and youth people and even the elderly people are suffering from the frozen shoulders. Shoulder pain causes and treatment. Friends, shoulder pain is very common in our society, and the people ranging from very young children to adult and youth people and even the elderly people are suffering from the frozen shoulders. So today we are going to discuss what are the causes of the shoulder pain and how we can treat it without surgery, what are the advanced surgical methods, and if it is possible to treat the shoulder pain only with exercises. So friends, in younger population, mainly the children and the youth generation, the shoulder pain can occur due to the injury. Due to the injury, there can be chances of rotator cuff tendinitis, partial tear or complete tear. So rotator cuff is a group of 4 muscles which surrounds the shoulder and gives the stability. So when during the injury the rotator cuff is injured, then you can have a shoulder pain. Other reasons of shoulder pain in the younger population is shoulder dislocation, in which there is a torn labrum. So labrum is a tissue in our shoulder which prevents the dislocation of the shoulder. So if get torn, then your shoulder starts getting recurrent dislocation and you might have pain as well. There is one slap lesion also in the torn labrum. So these slap lesions commonly occurs in the throwing athletes. The athletes which has lot of throwing movements like the shot put or the cricketers, they have a slap tear in which the athlete has severe shoulder pain on the throwing motion. Other causes of shoulder pain can be due to repetitive movement of shoulder in the anterior direction, like a bowler or a swimmer or a racket sports person, in which he is constantly doing this kind of motion or this kind of motion. This repetitive motions puts an imbalance in the shoulder because the anterior muscles or the internal rotators of the shoulders get very strong, and these can also cause rotator cuff tendinitis or supraspinatus tendinitis and partial tear. So these are some of the causes of the shoulder pain in younger population. These causes can also occur in an older population, but in older population there is one more very big cause which is known as frozen shoulder. So in frozen shoulder, the capsule of the shoulder which surrounds the shoulder joint get stiff. In this, the pain occurs mostly in the night and there is a restriction of shoulder movement. It mainly occurs in the diabetic population. So friends, these are few of the most important causes of the shoulder pain. When you go to a doctor, he will do a thorough examination of your shoulder. He may tell you to do some investigations like X-ray and MRI and maybe some blood test. On basis of your examination and blood test and MRI and X-ray reports, he is going to conclude a diagnosis and then they can go towards the treatment plan. So friends, if you are suffering from shoulder pain or if you think your family members are suffering from shoulder pain, you can send us their MRI report and we will be helpful to diagnose it correctly and let you know what is the best treatment. About the best treatment, if there is a partial tear or tendinitis of your supraspinatus or rotator cuff muscles, then we can easily heal it with an orthobiologics injections and you will not need any kind of surgeries. If you have a complete tear of supraspinatus or rotator cuff or a Bankart lesion or a grade 3 slap lesion, then only you require a surgery. Nowadays, fiber tape internal brace is a very advanced surgical method in which we do the surgery with the help of telescope known as arthroscopy. So we don't have to put a bigger cut on your shoulder. It is done by the keyhole method and we fix the torn tissue by the fiber tape internal bracing technique, so that you will need a very little time of immobilization after the surgery and the rehab will be very fast. In the lower grade of injuries, we can easily treat with exercises and orthobiologics injections. Only for the high grade injuries we need surgery, and even these days the surgeries result are very good because the rehabilitation is fast, the fixation is very strong. So if you are suffering from shoulder pain, do send us your MRI and we will be helpful to you.